That was mine too. I had an incredible weekend. Like probably the best weekend in a long time. See, things are shifting for us, you know? Things are doing good for us. So. Good morning, everyone. Okay. All right. Okay, that's better. The candle moving with the circle order. Yeah. Okay. So I just found this one. I don't know if it shows how much you can see my screen. Let's see. There's a setting on top. I cannot, maybe I'll send you a picture later because it will show my accounts too much. But there is the last setting that you can actually put the VWAP. So the VWAP should be, sorry, I saw it. It will show up, probably it's too high, you can't even see. You can do last price, it's a little bit too much for me. But yeah, I like that bar. You can text me later if you cannot find it. Yeah. So let's see, what might you get to see? You see this bar? I know you get to see this bar right here. So like the next thing right there, you'll be able to see the setting to change that. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. I love questions, you know that. It gives me talking points. Yeah, thank you, Melissa. Yeah, exactly. Right there. Kind of cool, right? So it gives us a little bit better understanding of it. Yeah, and have the weave up on too. Like I said, I think it's a purple line. Well, I know it's a purple line, but it's right here. Yeah, it's at 29,875. That's why we can't see it. Yes, the middle line that I'm talking about being reclaimed. Yes, that's where institutions put their money on it. The institutions think that's where the price should be worth. So like this is the 200 right here, the 200, and then if I turn on the weave up right here, let's see. The weave up on the 5 minutes, right? It changes on the time frame. So the 5 minutes shows 880. And then on the book map, yeah, 875. Yeah, 880. Yeah, right here too. So that's why institutions think that they will pay that much money for it. So it's too cheap right now. So it's a good price to buy because it's too cheap. And was that the question? What's up, Roger? So, right, so they grab my order right here. I'll enter an email in a second. It's just funny. They grab my order once again, right on the tip, and then they flush me out. They want to flush me out. The reason they're not flushing me out because I am so small. For me, it's still a lot, but it is so small. And the VWAP, right, Emma, right now, like they want to reclaim the VWAP, meaning that it's so far out, they're gonna meet either the VWAP gonna keep going down, or and then the price they will have to meet. So when we do the stocks, and sometimes takes longer, couple months, because we're looking at the bigger time frame, right? So when we trading like 5 minutes, 1 minute charts, it's a little bit they meet sooner. Did you watch the video that we put out there? The algorithms are here. Okay. And then right here, you can see that, right? So the blue line is the middle line, and then the other two is weighted. So if it goes out too much, we'll push it down. If it goes out too much, we'll push it back in. The price. Like I'm trying to do like a simple words, right? Without being too fancy. And remember, VWAP is on the smaller time frame. For the bigger time frame, when I post like bigger time frame, is usually 200 EMA. Good morning, Tom Tom. You had a good night. You guys trading on a different time frame, different time zone, not time frame. Robert, good morning. Hello. What's up, Roger? I think I answer everybody. Okay. Yeah. Good. So if you don't have to, don't force the trade today. If you don't see something, don't take it, because forcing the trade costs us money, right? Yeah, good. It's probably the first time ever I don't see R, so makes me worry. See, okay? Let's see. Yeah, probably celebrating. He's shorter than market, which is good. I'm probably gonna post this, but I'll show you to you guys when I came and woke up and what I found on my camera. Yeah, last night was long for you. No trading for you, right? Yeah. Yeah. You got into oil? Okay. What is oil doing? Let's see. Long, right? Well, it's right at the 200. Okay, Ima, right now. I could check. I could check. It was, I know Sony, I guess it's good for like people that do the like blogs, vlogs or something like that. Okay, even now, like, okay, Ellie's talking about oil. I want you to go on oil and put 200 EMA and put it 4 hours. You'll see it's exactly where is it at. You had to reclaim the 200. So that's why I think Ellie won long, because she does it with her personal account. I can try to show it when we have time. Let's see, Emma, I know you with your kids. Can you hear me though, or I guess I'm asking you if you're paying attention right now. Good morning, everyone. The Queen. Yeah, when Ima answers, then I can explain to her the oil. Yeah, because you guys know I don't want to be talking just to talk. She's talking. I cannot hear her. Oh, I know. I have her muted. Okay. I have you muted. Let's see. Hold on. Let me unmute you. 1 second. Okay. Now go ahead.
I didn't hear your question.
Okay, I said, do you have a chance to look at oil chart right now at 4 hours? Because Philippe called out a trade that she took last night, and it would explain a lot about what your question was. Can you go to 4 hours and put oil? And put 200 EMA. All right, thank you, Melissa. All right, so let's see. Yeah, take your time. That's why I'm not pulling out the charts. Take your time. No rush at all. Cardin, I mean stop loss, sorry. Was there a question that I missed? Oh, what's my stop loss? Right now it's pre-market. It's a little slow with one micro, so I could manually manage it. And if I get too uncomfortable, then I'll get out and see what happens. I'll let you know when I step out too. I'm pretty honest. And it's bearish trend. Yes, it is bearish trend, but I'm a reversal trader, so I either win or get burned, right? Like I said, the best for TikTok is when I'm in the minus because people like to comment on things. So the algorithms like it. It makes it look like I'm very active. So sometimes I'm tempted just for the views of it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be a rebel and do it on purpose so TikTok can like me more even. All right, and for the watch list, I'm trying to make a decision. I mean, Intel and Nvidia, but ONS is showing a really strong. And I did give you the SMCI RKT. Let's check really quick. RKT. Yep, I always have a trick up my sleeve. I always try to turn positive, right? RKT. I went like I win either way. Yeah, RKT, I don't like it too much. That's why I didn't put it out there. Yeah, so I made a good work. So, and it's early in the week too, so let's see. I did post this one for you guys. It's all there. But it will be more swing trade because the ADR it's not as big, so it will take a little bit more time. Ooh, MSTR maybe. Let's do that. Okay, I got my thing. So MSTR. keep an eye on it. No more comments on TikTok. Yeah, Tesla. I had two positions, one on TSLL, and one on TSLA. I sold one of them on Friday. The other one I'm gonna wait till through 80, I think. Yeah. So I sold one just to free up the capital, not because I had to. But since I have the two positions, I was like, okay, I'll take my profit. Hi. All right, TikTok people. Now it's green, so no comments anymore. Okay. Yep. So to be like, so right now, that's why I'm looking for another one. See, the problem with Intel, because I have a position on Intel and a big one, I need to do the double leverage. What is the double leverage on Intel? Let me see. Yeah, what is the what's the double leverage on NTC? So let's see. INTW. Yep, found it. Ooh. But not a lot of shares traded, see, so it's a little bit dangerous. I don't know. Okay, so it'll look like NBDL, it's like almost 4 billion, when the INTW, it's only like millions. So yeah, no, I'm not doing it. Okay. BRB. BRB, is that like a Brazilian something, or that's like a European? What does the BRB means? Oh, it's something, some increment that I'm not sure about. Oh, I'll be right back. Okay, thank you. Like, I'm looking up a ticker. You guys are too fancy. I was like, BRB. I don't see that one. Um, At least we could laugh about it. Okay. Yeah, NVIDIA looks like wants to bounce, and let's see, MSTR. Yes, I'm in the zone. Right now I'm in the zone. I really are. I think MSTR is a little bit too dangerous because on the long time we can watch it rejected the 200. So I don't want to completely be stuck in there. Let's see. Okay. 15 minutes. Let's see. The news, the calendar this week is also crazy. When is the craziness gonna go away? Meta is too expensive. Yeah, came from the card too. So I learned something. BRB is not a stock ticker. That's what I learned. I think you are a little too early for the longs. I am. I got clipped right over here, and then it went against me. So Meta is too expensive to trade. MNDY. All right, just because it's too close to the open, we're gonna get out of this trade. So I'm just doing the break even because it's just too close to the open. There you go. Yeah, it's okay. Yes, low choppy day, yes. Ką reiškia stakanas? Aš nežinau, ką reiškia stakanas. Melissa gave me a heart. Melissa gave me go popular. Yes, I'm like 70 people away from meeting my goal. Level 2. Yeah, that's what we you cannot see it on TikTok because your window is so small for TikTok, right? The phone is very small, so a long ways. People get to see the bookmark. Nastic subvocal is the one, exactly. Exactly. Okay. All right. So let's see what happens now. Sticklinne. So, okay, you're looking at the 4-hour oil. Okay, I have All right. Okay, Emma, let's do this for you. We have some time. You don't have to babysit this right now. Okay. So you have your 4 hours, right? And then you're gonna close this off. You're gonna close this off. So you see that? Can you see it?
Yes, I can see that.
Okay, so what I'm trying to teach you is for the long term, right? So like Ellie's trading her personal account. So once you have enough capital, you can trade your own account. So you can swing trade it for a couple of days, right? I mean, even a couple of months.
I think you're going in and out.
I don't know how to check that. Let's see. Yeah, she said that you can't hear it. Can anybody else hear it? Is it on my end or is it on Emma's end? Okay. All right. Like I said, there's nothing more I can amp it up. The computer, fiber optics, and everything on my end. So, okay. Let me know when you can hear and then
Yeah, I'm good now.
okay, sweetheart. So you see, like, okay, so all I'm teaching you for long term. If it's gonna be stocks, or is it gonna be oil? Do you want to swing trade? Because once you have your own capital, you want to learn that. See how it goes away from the 200? It goes away so far. Sooner or later, it meets. Can you see that when I'm pointing my mouse?
I see.
So now it went super away from it right here, and July 23rd. Guess what? It dropped away to test what? Right?
The 200.
Right. So then it gets away from it and it goes back where? So can you see people like even if you're in a little bit of early for short for your long-term account or like the account that you can swing trade it, you know it's gonna right? And now when it went yeah. So right now when it went down here, Illy was saying that she went long. Can you see her thought process?
Yeah, she was trying to test the 200 again.
Because she has her personal account, right? So that's the power of building up your personal account, and then you like could be chilling, right? So it takes a little bit time to build it up, but once you build it up, so if you're a little bit early for the entry, you can wait it out because pretty much it's gonna happen, right? No matter in oil, you know how much with oil we have so many news, and it still follows the technicals, no matter what I go. You see that?
I'm curious where she actually got in for long.
You can tag her and ask
Did
her.
she get in based on the 4 hour?
Why don't you like go to the chat like and then tag her, and she loves sharing her charts too. So I love her thought process too. So why don't you tag her and then she can screenshot it for you?
Oh.
Yeah. So I don't know exactly because like it's her trade, so I can't completely answer. But in the big picture, I see what she sees. Is that good? So tik angliškai ne, nes, nu taip, visi klientai angliškai, tai. How many Lithuanians I have right now? 3? That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. Alrighty, who is ready? 6 minutes. Good morning to all TikTok people. I didn't realize I have all 43 of you. Thank you for joining. Yep, and someone said I was too early for my longs, and yeah. And the reason we get out is because of it's too close to the open right now. Yeah, it's just the open right now is a chop, so that's okay. My mouth is so sensitive. Pre-market is a lot harder. Pre-market like more gold works or oil. But I think when it comes to MNQ, like you guys saw me only one time they let me take it all the way to the open. And we do have pressure from here from the 824 pressure down for the bearish, yeah. All right, 4 minutes. Is everybody ready? Okay, I'm ready. So you can see a perfect rejection right here of the 200, right? And you can see right here, the NVIDIA, it's actually reaching the middle line of WeBot. Right? Okay, so let's see what happens right now. Okay, Tom, I woke up at 3 in the morning for Asia, slept a little long, late for work, about 30 minutes. Yeah, work is secondary at this point. Yeah. I watch and run IQ. Welcome. So back the 800 level that I was watching, right? Remember when I sent out the letters, I'm watching how it's going to react at 800. So way back at the 800, 2 minutes before the market open. Yeah. Don't be too predictable now, NQ. Yep. See, back at 800, 30 seconds before the open. Anybody else found that funny or just me? I crack myself up. Me and my levels. I crack myself up. Ding, 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 ding. Let's go. And there you go. They took me out and now they're going my way. That's okay. Let's see what happens. See, I had a great idea. So I'm in a video long, so let's see how we react here. So I went in long right here, you guys. I want to go long right here. It's a little bit early. And rejecting at the 200, so no rush. Are you just teasing us for long, or where are we at? You're gonna go to the 850, right? Nope. You want to reject? Okay. Any trade back at 800? Any trades for anybody? No. Come on. You're going without me. Am I too late for the trade? Yep, I'm gonna be meeting the VWAP. Vex, labas, and you Lithuanian too. Okay, so no longs. It's a bull trap. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's test this one. 277. I see the 275 order. And let's see if we can. Yep, we ate that one up. Okay, the bull trap. Let's see now if we want to catch the lock. Not yet, not yet. All right. 756. Is they in order? I didn't place an order. I did place an order. Oh, one more. Okay. Should have been tagged already. All right. Any questions for TikTok people? No, they didn't tag me. Oh, they did tag me. Okay. I'm trailing my stop, you guys. Okay, perfect reversal. Got it. Should be out by now. Anybody else got it? I'm out. Was it too fast? Anybody else got it? Oh no. Am I frozen? Anybody listening? That was a good entry. Come on, 750 was a good entry. Look at that. See, I don't even care, I'm out. That was like perfect. Anybody else? Yeah, W. Are you using Trading View? Yeah, that's a Trading View. Anybody else got a 750 entry? That's like 50 points. You hold it longer, 60, but it's perfect reversal. We saw the 750 order eaten, then they get all the stops for the shorts, and then we went in long. We got it. Okay, talking to myself. Okay. Did not. It was really fast though. It was really, really fast though. Yeah. No, that's good. You know me, I'm just always joking, but okay, Uber. Guys, remember Uber from Friday? Okay, who wants to see that? Who wants to see the call out with it together with the team on Friday? Raise your hand. Who wants to see it? Anybody? So if you hold it since Friday, anybody checking your paper count? Anybody? Yeah. Uber. We traded Uber on Friday and it's still pumping today. So if I do like a daily for you guys, so Friday, you can see, right? I should show this to TikTok people. Look at this, TikTok people. This is the chart we traded on Friday. Let me turn this off. Turn this off. Ta-da! That was a Friday move. Okay. And this is Monday move. Why I love swing trading. So, okay, if anybody's listening, why did I choose the Uber? I have my answer right there for you guys. Why did I choose this Uber? Yep, to Jupiter past the moon. Is Ema listening or no? She's not. She's with her kids. Thank you. Yep. So being a reversal trader, yep. Being a reversal trader, you guys can understand. Ooh, I should definitely take a screenshot. That'd be good, right? For socials. Okay. Yeah, crazy move in 2 days. Okay, let's measure. Should we measure? From Friday to today. 10%. Ta-da. Would you like to make 10% in a day on your money? Okay. Do you teach this? Yes, that's what who I'm talking to is my team. We traded this together and I picked it out. We did all that, all the beautiful stuff. So you see that? Bam. Okay. I'm good. I got my reversal. So I'm good. You guys can take one more trade right here at 750. But back to 750, you can see how he acts. If it will still have more pressure, just wait it out. If you see like a confirmation for reversals, it might not be as big as this, but if you see wicks coming in here, you could try reversal. Yeah, see the magic line is at 747. Okay. Yep, SpaceX made a crazy move. I did tell you about SpaceX. I don't know if you were here or not, but I did tell you about it. Okay. Any questions for anybody before we get off? Because I'm not taking any more trades.